sucker try me. But if it do, draw blood like a IV.
Yeah, it's your boy Crypto Blood, and welcome to another episode of My Two Satoshis. It is January 16th, 2019, and I gotta give a shout out to my man Chaos from the Web by Crypto Room. He wanted me to play a joint by Toby Wigwe called Fuego. I like this guy. It's kind of a conscious rapper out of Houston, I believe, somewhere in Texas, but really lyrical, and I'm really feeling his music. So thanks again, Chaos, for that song request. What's good, people? Hope you guys are doing okay on today. This Wednesday, middle of the week. Almost there, people, almost there. So what we're going to be covering today is a follow-up story to what I reported the other day about Cryptopia and the hack that happened over there in New Zealand. Looks like the hackers have sent some of the funds to Binance, of all places, most popular exchange out there. Why you would do that, I have no clue. So we're going to take a look at that article. And then secondly, I swear, for those that remember, I said this last year when I reported on Ethereum postponing its upgrade, its hard fork, what they call Constantinople upgrade. I said last year, I don't think they're even going to roll it out in January. And here we go. They were trying to roll it out, but they faced some security vulnerabilities, some very serious security vulnerabilities on the level of the DAO hack exploit. So we're going to take a look at that. Looks like they're pausing this upgrade yet again. So we'll take a look at that article out of CoinDesk in a second. But first, I do want to announce that I have launched the second pair for trading on Bitmix, and it is included in the service here, the Bitmix trading signal algo, long and short. 3 months is $366. You get steep discounts if you sign up for 6-month or 12-month time frames. But yes, the Ethereum algo, Ethereum versus USD trading pair has finally been released. So that's exciting. And I'll have to update this page to show you guys all the details on this algo. The Ethereum algo actually is the most profitable one that I have in cryptocurrencies. So very excited to roll that out. And again, that is available at no additional charge for anyone who signs up for the service. I have Bitcoin versus USD algo trading now. That's what you see here. You'll see the stats for that. I also have EOS in beta. So members were able to sign up to test that out in beta mode. But I just officially launched Ethereum versus USD pair today. So you'll have those two trading pairs automatically trading on your Bitmex account upon signing up. So check it out. $366, 3 months, deep discounts for 6 and 12 months. I'll have a link in the description below. So let's go ahead and check out this market cap here. Looks like we are sitting roughly at $121 billion, just above that $120 billion line in the sand. Got to make a decision soon though, because price action has really slowed down. If I could draw a horizontal line up here at the top and down here at the bottom, we're pretty much trading in a range at the moment. So we'll see what happens. But as you can see here, that green dotted line is the area where I told you a few days ago we needed to stay above. And we tried touching it a couple of times. If you look here, I'm going to zoom in. You'll see us tapping that area a few times and then finally going below it, but then coming right back up. And I think this was not real price action right here. And neither was this. So again, this is a very strong area. 35.62 area is a very strong support area. As you can see, the market is reacting to it very violently. So let's see what we can do here. Hopefully we can stay above here and start the trend back up. But who knows, in this game, you have to be reactive instead of trying to predict the future. That's how you make money in this game. So there you have it if you're trading manually, of course. The first article, though, is out of CCN. It says here, Binance foils Cryptopia hacker by freezing stolen crypto. I don't understand why they would do this. I'm still confused why they would send stolen crypto to the most known cryptocurrency exchange out there. It says Binance puzzled why hackers keep sending funds to its exchange. It says here, CEO of Binance questions why attackers keep on sending the stolen funds to Binance, given that word quickly spread and the crypto exchange is not shy about halting the flow of stolen funds. His tweet says here, just checked. We are able to freeze some of the funds. I don't understand why the hackers keep sending to Binance. Social media will be pretty fast to report it and we will freeze it. It's high risk maneuvers for them. Cryptopia says here, said in a tweet that the breach occurred on Monday based in New Zealand. And it says that Cryptopia said the hack caused it to suffer significant losses. The breach moved at least $2.4 million worth of Ethereum to several unknown wallets. Also, it moved roughly 1.2 million worth of centrality tokens. Still, it is unclear who was behind the hack that resulted in the redistribution of stolen funds through Binance and other exchanges. Some have even suggested that Cryptopia may have made the transfers for security reasons. Cryptopia said Tuesday in a tweet, "We cannot comment as this matter is now in the hands of the appropriate authorities. We will update you as soon as we can." The day after Cryptopia announced the hack, CZ posted a message on Twitter that received considerable backlash. In that tweet, he appeared to advise crypto holders to store their holdings on exchanges instead of on personal storage devices like USB drives or hardware wallets. The tweet did not sit well with some. Some took CZ's tweet to mean that the risk of self-storage is significantly greater than the risk of storing cryptocurrencies on reputable exchanges like Binance, for example. However, CZ later said he was not necessarily advising investors to store funds on exchanges. So there you have it. Crazy that they would even send funds to a well-known crypto exchange like Binance. But hey, I don't know. This is common though in cryptocurrencies for sure. It's kind of the wild, wild west when it comes to this stuff. In 2018, there was more than $730 million stolen. So again, very crazy environment that we're in this crypto game. And it just shows you the more freedom you have, the more responsibility you must have as well. So that is definitely critical in this game. So just wanted to update you guys on that particular situation. The second article though is out of CoinDesk, and it talks about Ethereum's Constantinople upgrade being delayed. It says here that the upgrade is delayed due to a security vulnerability. Ethereum's long anticipated Constantinople upgrade has just been delayed after a critical vulnerability was discovered in one of the planned changes. Smart contract audit firm Chain Security flagged Tuesday that Ethereum Improvement Proposal, or EIP 1283, if implemented, could provide attackers a loophole in the code to steal user funds. Speaking on a call, Ethereum developers as well as developers of clients and other projects running the network agreed to delay the hard fork at least temporarily while they assessed the issue. Participants included Ethereum creator Vitalik Buterin, developers Hudson Jameson, Nick Johnson, and Evan Van Ness, and parity release manager Afri Shoden, among others. A new fork date will be decided during another Ethereum dev call on Friday. Discussing the vulnerability online, the project's core developers reached the conclusion that it would take too long to fix the bug prior to the hard fork, which was expected to execute on January 17th, which is tomorrow. The vulnerability is called a reentrancy attack. The vulnerability essentially allows the attacker to re-enter the same function multiple times without updating the user about the state of affairs. Under this scenario, an attacker could essentially be withdrawing funds forever, said Jones, CTO of blockchain analysis analytics firm Amber Data, in a previous interview with CoinDesk. He explained, "Imagine that my contract has a function which makes a call to another contract. If I'm a hacker and I'm able to trigger functions all while the previous function was still executing, I might be able to withdraw funds. This is similar to one of the vulnerabilities found in the now infamous DAO attack of 2016. Chain Security's post explained that prior to Constantinople, storage operations on the network would cost 5,000 GUI. exceeding the 2300 gas usually sent when calling a contract using transfer or send functions. However, if the upgrade was implemented, dirty storage operations would cost 200 gas. An attacker contract can use the 2300 gas stipend to manipulate the vulnerability contract's variable successfully. Constantinople was previously expected to activate last year, but was delayed after issues were found while launching the upgrades on the Robston testnet. So here we go, people. Yet another delay. And it's just looking worse and worse for Ethereum, man. I'm not saying they won't be able to get this fixed, but you got to understand, this is what I mean by why I'm concerned about this whole Casper and going from proof of work to proof of stake. It's harder than most people are forecasting or pricing in my opinion. So I think, you know, as we get closer to even more major updates and upgrades to the blockchain, they're just going to hit more delays after more delays after more delays. As you see blockchain 3 projects like EOS and Tron, and there are a few others as well, really start to widen the gap between Ethereum and themselves. So you guys let me know what your thoughts are on this. This is crazy, and it's not a good look for the Ethereum project. But again, that's just my 2 Satoshis. I want to give a shout out to my man Chaos again for the song request, and thank you for joining another episode of my 2 Satoshis for January 16th 2019. I'm out of here, people. Holla.
Trash on the radio really keep me abreast.